What's up, my pyro people? Got another demo here. Tsky Superpower 8 shots, which I found a little odd. 8 shots in a 500 gram cake. But performance, that's what it's supposed to look like. It says it's vertical, so, but noise 9 out of 10. You can read that. Anyway, it says vertical, right? But we got some angles in there. Those are some nice sized tubes. We got some angles in there. Well, we'll see how it performs. All right, I put a nice leader on here so I can get back. It should have pretty nice spreads on it. Here it goes. Very nice cake. If you find that cake, pick it up.